So I just got back from a day outside hanging out on the lake and all that stuff, and I have my keys with me because I can't find anything else to open my box from Logee's. So I'm gonna cut this open with my keys because I have to, because I'm too frantic to find an actual thing that will cut these open. So wish me luck. Oops. Yes! Okay. All right. So I didn't open this box like a complete dumbass and an idiot like I did the last one I did, which is also why you're not seeing it. So this top layer is unpacking instructions and my invoice. So for those of you who don't know, I turned 30 October 1st. So this is my birthday gift to myself. For those of you who also don't know, October 2nd is when they told us that we might be getting fired at my job. There's definitely not a plant in this. I didn't just like crush it against my face. Okay. So there are 5 plants in here. I don't know which one's on top or whatever. But it's been kind of chilly out here. I live in Chicago, so Okay, so far so good. This is Begonia Amelia's kaleidoscope. Oh my god, yes. So she's a little wrinkly, but she's good. Like, there's nothing in the package aside from like 2 tiny bits of dirt. Oh, what next? Ooh. Okay. So it's past 10 o'clock at night too, because I've been out living my life. I basically sat at the I basically sat at the lakefront all day because I had nothing else to do. Like, I finally had the day off of work. It's a Saturday, and I just, oh, hello, beautiful. Oh, this is the Autumn Ember Begonia. Oh, look at her. Oh, you beauty. Oh, you beautiful creature, you. One casualty. Oh my gosh. Oh, you sweet thing. Oh, best birthday gift to myself in a long time. Okay, let's see what this guy is. This is, you can see some green peeking out. This is the root ball down here. This is maybe a foot long. You hear a little bit of dirt coming out. That's fine. Oh, this is the bay leaf. Okay, so I ordered a bay leaf plant. Here it is. Oh. So this is bay, like laurel. So the stuff that they, like Greek head scarves / the stuff you cook with, bay laurel. That's what this is. Nice big plant. Has a little bit of sand in it. So I wonder if it's like grown in sand or what. I don't know. It's interesting. I'm gonna double check its care requirements and then put it in my window and give it a big ass pot and let it do its thing and let it grow and be amazing and become like a small bush / tree. And then I'm gonna cook with it. How cool is that? I love that you can cook with plants. I love that I have plants that I'm able to cook with. Okay, there's only 2 plants left. Okay, this one's on top. There's a bunch of sand on top of this one, and it might be from the bay laurel. Which one is this? Ooh. Oh, yes, baby. Oh. This is my 3rd begonia from this haul, and it's a Cracklin' Rosie. Look at those leaves. Look at that. Yes. Okay, so Cracklin' Rosie, she, oh, those leaves, look at that. Look, just, would you look at that? They're like blood red. Oh my God. And the polka dots are like a pale, like silvery pink. Ugh, cane begonias. Yes. Oh my God. Yes. Oh my God. Oh, you have a little tear. I don't even care. I don't even care. I don't even care. I don't even care. It's amazing. Like, did you see this? Did you see that? I'm like a kid in a fucking candy shop, man. Like, yes, please. Oh my God. Okay. Last but not least. This is a thanatophyllum. So they used to be classified as tree philodendrons. Look at this. Look at how lacy these leaves are. Lickety split tree philodendron, so thanatophyllum. Look how cool. So this guy is gonna grow a big ass trunk and just kind of be bushy and dope AF. And I'm gonna put him in my bedroom and then it's gonna like explode. And oh my God, I am here for that. Like, did I just go basic bitch on this channel? I don't even care. It's my channel. I'll be basic bitch if I want to. Best birthday ever. Like really, best birthday ever. This is the best ever. It looks so good. Ugh. Look how pretty. I'm just gonna have like a 30-minute video of me doing this. Like, look how cool. I'm just so good at giving gifts to myself. Like, this is the best. Way to go, me. Successful fucking unboxing, man. So I try to be pretty informational on my channel and I just like fangirled out for at least 10 minutes. I'm probably gonna edit it down to 5. Maybe not, I don't know, who cares? Now what I'm gonna do is water all of these guys in. They're all pretty light. My begonias, they can handle some drought. So all of these guys can handle drought. But they have been through enough stress being in a dark, tightly packed box for 2 days. They need some time to just hang out and do their thing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find a plastic container that I can just kind of put all of these guys in. And I do have several plastic, like big round plastic things that I can set these guys in and just water them and let them do their thing. They're gonna be super happy. It's gonna be awesome. I have some dope ass plants.